Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit DFU mode on this device. It's very easy to do. To do it, you need to disconnect your iPhone from the PC, then press volume up, down, and press and hold power button during 10 seconds or something about it. Then when you will see the Apple logo, release both keys and just wait until smartphone will load the system. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.